region is called Veneto. It's near the mountain, the Dolomiti. I guess you have heard about it. So the legend says that anguane, which are women, but with the feet of goats, they escaped from Roman Empire long time ago, and they found a beautiful place near a beautiful lake near the Dolomiti in Regione Veneto. So this lake is known because if you have a bath inside the lake, you will stay young and beautiful forever. But only local women have that benefit, not that so-called anguane. So one evening, it was a full moon, the local women decided to take a bath, to stay beautiful and young forever.
So be careful.
While
Bye. My love.
Goodbye.
Bring the food.
Okay, yeah, I'll bring some for us. Okay, let's go.
while the husbands were going for hunting, our anguane, which we believe they are kind of creature from devil because of their food, used to live in a cave near the water. They were so jealous because they could stay forever young and forever beautiful. And they were jealous because they wanted men. But men didn't want them. Because of course, who would you take? I mean. So they decide to visit these beautiful girls. They are so jealous, so ugly. And they attack them and they kill them. They kill them and they got back to their cave. Men, getting back from hunting,
What happened here? What happened here? They are dead? Should we eat them?
they were so sad, so sad. Their wife, she was pregnant. That's a kind of genocide or something. So our planet committed a genocide. So the very sad husband decided to bring them to organize a holy funeral. Because
How gentle!
So gentle with the pregnant woman. Perfect.
flowers. The blood of this holy spirit turned into flower, as you can see. Anguane thought they were safe. Now they could count their husband. But no, the god of the spring decided to turn husband, every man of the village, into a stone. Not stoned, but into a stone. They didn't get stoned. Iguane was so angry because they couldn't hunt men anymore. Now they will be single forever, basically. So the god decided to poison the water of the lake. So they most probably will die. So they went the next morning to drink. They're supposed to die, but they're still alive. They are so bad that they cannot die. Are you dying? Finally, they died. And the god, after that, turned the lake into, again, beneficial water. But, okay, this is a genocide, nobody is alive anymore. But nowadays, the lake is still some like benefits only if you use on the place where it is. So you cannot take the water and drink it in your house because you will not stay beautiful and young forever. But if you go there, yes. That's the end of the story.
I like the special effects.
Bravo!